It's me and
Emma. This is Tyler, and I'm Emma.
We did Let's Visit Toy Story 4, Tyler and Emma. So we're having a movie night today, about Beetlejuice. And I've never seen it.
But I've seen it, and that's one of my favorite movies. And The Nightmare Before Christmas, but he's seen that.
Yeah.
That's one of our
That's the best. That's the best ever.
So we are going to go through a portal that takes us to Beetlejuice Land.
No, I want to watch some TV and go inside the TV.
But we can't do that. We can go into Hot Lava Land, the haunted Hot Lava Land.
What's wrong with you? You're insane. She's insane, kids. She's insane.
No, I'm not.
She's a piglet. No, I'm not. Okay, guys, let's just stop whispering and do our
thing.
Yeah. So we need this.
So we love hanging out and doing videos together, even though we've already only did 2. So we love doing videos together, and because we like spending time with each other. I live in San Diego, and he lives close to Fresno in Clovis.
True.
And I actually live in Lake Elsinore, that's close to San Diego. We're like an hour away.
Yeah. Well, that's lucky since I would have got to San Diego.
What? I have a joke for you.
What?
What did the pickle say? What did the dill pickle say when the 2 pickles fell off the shelf?
What did they say when they fell off the shelf?
Yeah.
I came off the shelf to see Mr. Beetlejuice.
That's just weird. I don't know why they would say that, but it's not correct.
Well, it's a Beetlejuice thing.
They said deal with it. Dill with it.
Oh, since they're dill pickles. I get it.
No, I thought you wouldn't get it. Because you're crazy.
I'm made in crazy land. I'm made in crazy taco land. Where
we had taquitos last night.
Yeah.
We're gonna have actually a family movie night today.
Yeah.
Cause tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna have a family movie night today.
And I hope I'm pretty sure I am, but I really hope I love Beetlejuice. If you've seen it, please tell me how on the comments. I won't look today, but tell me how good it is to you.
We actually might look today, so please do it as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Whenever you have time, because we love comments.
And yeah.
So to see what we can fix, what not to fix,
yeah,
and what to remove.
Some people don't say that. That's because they're
please don't make fun of us.
Yeah, we might be a little crazy. We sleep crazy. Beetlejuice is crazy.
Beetlejuice is crazy, actually.
I know. Why would it name me Beetlejuice? Like my papa watches this wrestling movie.
What?
And this guy's named Booger. What's that a name of?
Okay, let's just get to portal making.
Not a portal making. I want to watch TV. Okay, and I'm gonna watch.
We're gonna go into TV land. Beetlejuice TV land. You gotta go and walk.
I can't do this.
Wait, can I try?
I'm just gonna make stairs to go in here.
Ooh.
That was crazy.
I don't know how we did that at the same time. We didn't even practice, I promise.
I know. So we are gonna celebrate Brooke's birthday, Emma's birthday today.
My birthday's in 9 days. Brooke's was when was Brooke's birthday?
A year ago.
No, it wasn't.
It's December. December something.
Yeah, but we don't get to see each other often, so we're just gonna celebrate it.
Beetlejuice's anniversary and that stuff.
It's actually not its anniversary. We're just partying, celebrating because we're gonna watch it tonight.
I really want to see Beetlejuice's house, so yeah, I'm gonna make a map.
Hopefully it don't get sucked into the portal.
You're crazy. So if like your computer stopped, it's not all scratched up or like something ended on it. We just had to go to the bathroom or our tooth fell out.
Yeah, and if it cuts off, but we kind of made a limit. We have to look at the time to see when it stopped the timer. So if you get cut off, it's not your computer. It's just us, the recording machine, because we only had a limit of 15 minutes.
And she's going to hold me with my 15 minutes.
What?
It's going to give me a... Beetlejuice is home! Ooh. Let me check this out, and then I'm going to let Emma try. Fire blaming ghost is wow. A terrible Fortnite dancer? I am not a terrible Fortnite dancer.
Fortress dancer, not Fortnite dancer.
They meant Fortnite. They can't say Fortnite correct. Oh my gosh! A ghost! Ooh.
You're crazy. I was crazy a minute ago, but now I'm not. You're even crazier.
Let's go inside their house. Hold on. I want to go inside their house, and I'll let you explore their house. After I see where their house is, I want to go inside something.
Whoa! There's fire dancing, whatever those things are.
What is...
What happened?
We might have fell. Probably what we did.
Ooh, we fell off the bridge.
Surprisingly weird. We're in prison.
I don't want to be in prison. So there's hot lava following us. Let's go on a different path.
It took us in some. These eyes have been blinded. These eyes have been. You keep interrupting me. Can you stop interrupting me?
You're singing.
Since you're a very bad singer.
Oh no.
I'm sorry I said that. Well, you are a terrible singer. Well,
knock it
I
off.
saw you saw my portals. I sent you here to die. What's your name? You will see a checkout to put your name. I want to know your name. My name is Beetlejuice.
Well, that's too bad because you can't know mine.
And you will be surrendered. You will have to die. And whoever trespasses my house will not get away with it.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Whoa, we're flying. We're actually like literally flying. Ah, what happened? Ah, we're in a portal thing, whatever we are. Wherever we are. Okay. What happened? Whoa.
It's almost done. At 10:00. That's when it's over.
Okay, so we only have like a couple more seconds, or actually minutes.
Couple more minutes.
We have it until like.
So you know what? We're gonna celebrate their birthdays right now. First, we're gonna start with Emma since hers is the closest. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma.
I said Mia.
Happy birthday to you. Now we're gonna do to Blookie. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, I'm gonna go get her.
Brooke.
You handle it. Oh,
Happy.
Don't sing it. Don't sing it. Brooke, do you want to be in our video?
It's over. Say goodbye.
Happy birthday to Brooke. But we can do that right now. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Pick up the speed. Happy birthday, dear Brooke.
Happy birthday
to you. So, bye, and I hope you give us a comment.
Yes. Maybe you should
Our
watch
names are Tyler and Emma again. So, yeah.
Watch Beetlejuice and give us some comments on how you like it.
We'll check tomorrow. So, we better have a lot.
So,
See you guys.
bye.
Bye.